Today, I'm gonna get the Camcat out and try to get it started after it's been sitting for the winter. To do this every year. So I'm gonna move the cars and the camper, open the garage, and then probably go to the AutoZone or whatever, Advanced Auto, and get a battery tender or a new battery. We'll see what it needs. Let's move some cars. I just got this truck and it's so nice. I mean, I can just back up right here. Let's do a trailer hitch. This one. And then I can just line it up where it's gonna be. Cool left idea. And I'm underneath it, which is nice. This thing's awesome. So you get the trailer connected and then open up the garage. Also, I don't know if this is gonna go on the Impulse channel or the just regular Shane Garski channel. Either way, what's up guys? It's been a long time. But the Camcat's part of Impulse, so I think it should be a part of the Impulse channel. We'll see. This is also Kit. She needs a home. We're rescuing her right now. She's a sweetheart. You guys should get her. Hi, Kit. Okay. I don't feel like unhooking the trailer to the camper again, so I'm taking a walk to Advanced Auto. It's not that far away. We're here. This is just nice to have in the truck. I bought a battery charger or starter, and it does 1,000 cranking amps, so pretty nice for $100. It's pretty nice how it's like 70 degrees. Was at the store until 7 p.m. Pretty good day though. Stayed busy. We're gonna do something a little bit different on the car. It's gonna get an overhaul, but I'm not gonna talk about what it's gonna get. So you guys are gonna see the reveal on that. Just come out with it. Not really show anything. Let's open this guy up. There's so much to do. Nice. It's got a little flashlight on it. It's crazy that this has 1,000 cranking amps. That's that. You just charge a USB-C. What? It's fully charged. It's fully charged off the rip. So let's see if we can start the charger. Because this battery is freaking dead. Case on the floor, because I'm messy like that. USB-C charger. Put this in here. Got flashlight. Cool. Let's see if it starts. I think my battery on my key fob's dead too. Red, negative, it's back. What do I have to do? It's totally dead. Let's see if it does anything. Alright, there's nothing on it. Alright, I gotta do this quick. I changed out the other battery with the one that I had. And it looks like it will start. The doors are not unlocking though, so that's a bad sign. Let's hope it works. I don't think it will though. What do you guys think? We gotta get the extra key fob to make it work. Perfect. Oh snap. Here we go. I think it'll work maybe. No go, dude. It's almost there. It wants to do it. Get the fuel pump going. Right now it's at 10 volts. I need 12 to start this thing. It's going lower in voltage. I don't think it'll start. Alright, I'll be right back. Gonna go change out this battery. Alright, I am back with a charged battery. And it will start now. Just fill it up with some E85. Some fresh stuff. Here we go. Book. These batteries are so freaking heavy, dude. They have to weigh like 30 pounds. God dang it. Why does everything have to be hard? Oh, it has charged now. We're getting her going. Tight. This one tight. And it should make loud noises. New battery on there. Let's see if it starts. It's been a lot. It's been 6 months. 8 months. Almost there. Come on. Take that. Take that. One more time. Come on. tuned it, so my tuner's goated. But something's in the work with this car, so you guys like this. See if I got oil pressure and make sure it's all good. Yep, 60. We got 60 on the dash, so I love this car. All right, we're in the car now. Just gonna go for like just a quick test drive to see how it's handling. I wanna make sure everything's good. The earring feels super heavy compared to the truck I'm used to it. So I'm just checking coolant. Oil pressure is good. Air intake is good. So I just want to watch this air intake and then actually oil pressure. I missed this car, dude. I missed this car. Holy. Just gotta be careful with the cops. Pull this thing over easy. So I'm gonna do a big overhaul on this thing. Well, I shouldn't say big. We're just gonna do something different. So pressure's good. This thing is just gonna be. It wants to kick out. There's a cop. I'm gonna get an oil change on her and just refresh her up, get her detailed by Mark, and we're gonna do something new. Bye. Just go to the gas station and get some fuel. Get her some fresh fuel. Alright, we're at the gas station to get some E85.
Nicolay Law is the Midwest's award-winning injury law firm. If you've been injured, get Nicolay.
Gonna get some gas. So I just filled up, but it's super cool to, I mean, got the camera store, the Camcat, you know, it's just a dream. Never thought I'd be able to do this when I just put the work in, so super cool. If you guys didn't know, I have a camera store. I actually came here to grab my guitar on the wall. I want to play with it a little bit, but I think I'm gonna outro it here, actually. So I'm done. I'll catch you guys in another video. Also, I'm shooting this on the Action 5 Pro, if you guys wondered.